Hi, I'm Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. I haven't filmed in like a month, so I don't really know what I'm doing. Today, I'm going to do a makeup look inspired by my Pawpaw's 55 Chevy. If you guys don't know, my Pawpaw passed away on July 14th, and it's been very hard. I'm not gonna cry. I told myself I was not gonna cry in this video, but I want to do a makeup look inspired by that. Just bear with me. Please just bear with me. I will pull up a picture so you guys can see what it looks like. That's it. That's my dad's red one next to his. I think, I mean, no, that's not it. Is it? It looks like my dad's. I don't know. That's him and my dad at a car show. But yeah. I think I'm going to do like that dark bluish green in my crease. And then I'll do like a peach shimmer on my lid. Yeah, I don't know. We're just going with it. Honestly, like, I haven't done my makeup in it's been like a month. So it's either way, like, it's probably gonna look like shit, but we're gonna try, you know? I'm gonna do one eye on camera and the other eye off camera, just to save time, and to shut up for a few minutes, because I have a feeling like I'm gonna be talking a lot about my pawpaw, my brows. Listen, I haven't really like taken care of myself in a while. Just like, don't mind me if I just start being weird. I kind of feel like I need to do this eye first because this eye's watering. Because it's being a little bitch. My brows are so bad. Probably should have looked at myself in the mirror before I started filming this, but it's fine. I'm just priming my eyes with the Beauty Blender concealer. I probably put too much, but you know, I haven't done this in a while. I did already clean my face and moisturize it. If you guys want to know what I use for skincare, I can do a video on that, even though like my skin's not that great. I mean, it looks great on camera kind of because of the beauty lights and whatnot, but it's not like the best. But I did switch up my skincare recently, so maybe it'll get better. I don't know. I'm just setting that with the Maybelline loose setting powder. I wonder if I should do my brow first. No, I'll do that off camera. I'm not going to talk about the products I'm using because I just don't really give a shit, and I don't necessarily know what I'm doing. But I need to pull that picture back up. Shit, I don't know what I'm doing. I am going to start with like a light shade though and blend that into my crease so the dark shades blend easier. I also feel like I'm talking very low, but I really like don't have the energy to talk that loud. I'm terrified. I never just go in with a dark shade right off the bat, so I don't know how this is going to go. Like I said in the beginning of this video, like this is probably gonna look like garbage. So, and that's another reason why I'm not explaining what I'm using, because like, are you gonna recreate it? No. I need to stop being such a negative Nancy. But I'm sure you guys could just tell that my depression is back. My anxiety has been like out of this world. It's been a very difficult time, and I'm trying to be as positive as possible. Like, I'm pretty good during the daytime when I'm distracted and whatnot, but the mornings and like nighttime is the hardest. I'm not really sleeping much. I think I got like 4 hours of sleep the past couple of nights. Just because like I stay up to like 3 a.m. crying. But I'm trying. Like, it's a process. And I've lost people before. Like, I've lost people that I've been close with. But I don't know. My pawpaw is like a completely different story. Because, like, I was always like pawpaw's little girl. And, I don't know. It's just, it's been really difficult. And, when I wasn't there when he died, but I left the day before he died. Like, I took 5 days off work, and I got to spend 5 days with him, and stop fucking crying. Saying goodbye to him was like the hardest thing I've ever had to do. And I did record it, me saying goodbye to him. But I did stop it when I said bye. And but I said goodbye to him for like another 10 minutes, and he like hugged me and whatnot. And I left on a Monday, and oh, good news, I'm full-time again. I haven't said that, but when I was on my way home, I called my manager crying, and I was like, hey, you might want to schedule me short shifts next week, because she was in the process of making the schedule. And I was like, because I don't know when all of this is gonna happen. And she's like, well, I can't do that because you're full-time, so I have to schedule you 40 hours, and if something happens, like, it's okay. And I was like, oh, well, that's great news. And like, I'm very thankful that I'm full-time again. I just think it was kind of bad timing, because I'm not like my best right now. But like, I'm pretty good at hiding it at work. I've always been good at like hiding my emotions in front of people. But when I'm alone, it's just... And I thought I was going crazy because like, I started hearing things, and like, my mom and dad were up there when he died, and that night I was in the kitchen getting water to go to bed, and I thought I heard somebody talking in the living room, and I called my mom and I was like, are you talking on the dog camera? She was like, no. She goes, it's broke. I'm like, well, I'm hearing somebody talk in the living room. And then when I went to sleep that night, and then I woke up in the middle of the night, and I thought I saw somebody like standing in the corner of my bedroom, which freaked me out. And I was even like, Papa, like, if you want to come visit, can you come back during the day when I'm like less scared? Because I'm a little bitch. Like, shit. I'm trying. I really am. And like, sometimes like I have good days where like I don't cry. But I know it's gonna be really hard when I go back there, because when I went back to my Meemaw and Papa's, like for his funeral and stuff, it just didn't feel the same. Like, my anxiety was so bad when I was there. And the only time like I felt calm was when I was sitting in his recliner. And then the last night I was there, I slept in his bed, like where he slept. And it was like the most peaceful sleep I've ever gotten in my entire life. But I know, like, when I do go to visit like my Meemaw and stuff, like, it's gonna be really hard. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to handle that, but you know, I'll figure it out. I'm so depressing. I'm so sorry, but like, that was my pawpaw, you know? I think I'm done with that for now. And I'm gonna go in with like a light pink shimmer if I could find one. That kind of looks close to it. I'm gonna cut my crease though. There's so much, like honestly, there's so much dust on my makeup brushes right now because I just haven't done anything. Another thing, like since he's died, which like I can still feel him. I probably sound crazy with that too, but like I know he's there with me like all the time, and if I'm having really bad anxiety like going to work or something, all I have to like I don't do this all the time because like I already feel like I'm always a bother to people, so I don't want to like bother him even though like I've never been a bother to my papa. Like I know he loves me, but I'll like if my anxiety is like really bad, I'll be like, Papa help me, and like I instantly feel fine. Is that weird? Like I instantly just feel like all of my anxiety is gone, and I don't know, it's just another thing I'm dealing with. You know what's really weird? My anxiety just went away. I don't know if there's any color on this brush, but like we're gonna go with it. I don't think this is dry yet though, and I don't want to like mess it up, but I'll just tap it so it's like basically dry now. Alright, now I'm going to go back into that shade, that whatever shade I was using, and like blend all of this out. If I can find the brush I was using. I'm going to take a darker shade and put it in my outer corner. What's on this? Oh, it's clean. Wow, that's a shocker. I think there's somebody at my house. I think I hear the garage door opening. It's probably my dad. Which was like another hard thing during all of that. Because like, my dad doesn't cry. Ever. I've only seen my dad cry like 2 or 3 times. And I'm 26. So that was another hard thing. Before I start crying, I'm gonna do my brows in the other eye off camera, and then I'll be back to do my face. Okay? So I know I said I was going to come back and do my face on camera, but let's be honest, like this was never about my face. It's really only about my eyes. So if you're interested in the products that I use on my face, I will list them below. But this is what I got so far. So let's continue. I feel like it looks stupid if I didn't bring the blue or whatever this color is all the way down. I guess it's blue. It's like a, yeah, it's blue. I feel like I need to bring it down to my lower lash line, but I feel like it's gonna be too much. But I also like don't ever use colors like this. So we'll find out. I also haven't done my makeup in so long that I don't feel like myself. Like it's really weird seeing me with this much makeup on. And also, don't mind my hair because I'm getting it done Wednesday. I haven't gotten my hair done since January. Professionally. Everything I've done to my hair since January has been myself. The color, the cut. Caitlin did fix my haircut after I cut my own hair myself, and she fixed my bangs after I gave myself bangs, but I've been trimming them because they're so long, and they were clipped back for work yesterday, so they're just everywhere. But I'm just so excited. I'm no longer going to be a redhead. I actually had already taken out most of the red that's in my hair. So it makes this process on Wednesday a lot easier. I don't know what I'm doing. I told her to surprise me. She told me what she's going to do, but I have no idea what any of that means. So it's just going to be a surprise to both of us. Well, for us. Not to Caitlin, because like she knows what she's going to do. I don't, but it's okay. But yeah, I'm excited. Hopefully that'll like get me out of my mood a little bit. And I have so much gray in my hair. It should be illegal for a 26-year-old to have this much gray. You probably can't see it on camera, but it's bad. I hardly ever wear my hair down because of it. But yeah, let's just do this lower lash line. I'm just dipping into the color I used up there, and we're just gonna go with it. If you can hear Sophie licking her paw, I'm sorry. Sophie! Thank you. Now she's licking the air. She does that. I don't understand why, but she does. Probably because she's hungry. She ate this morning. She just likes to eat. She's part beagle. If that tells you anything. Soph, what are you doing? Let me highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. Is there anything on this brush? Nope. Where's the pigment? What the hell? Am I tapping too much off? And then some mascara. I'm not doing fake lashes. I do have to work later. Actually, I need to wash my work clothes. That would probably be a good idea. But I have to work later and I can't wear this to work because it's too intense. I did a red smoky eye to work one time for Christmas. It was Christmas Eve and they're like, you're wearing too much makeup. But yeah, I'm not gonna waste time putting on fake lashes because there ain't no point. I'll probably take a picture in this, wear it for like an hour maybe, and then take it right back off. I'm also not gonna put anything on my lips because I don't like things on my lips. I did wipe foundation off my lips a couple seconds ago, which is why they're so red, because if you know me, you know I have sensitive skin. Like everything about me is sensitive. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara that I'm using. I really want to do like white eyeliner because his wheels on his car were white, but I don't have white liner. So yeah, my hair looks so... This is what my bangs look like when I have them clipped back. But luckily I have enough hair to hide them. It looks like I didn't even put bronzer on my forehead. But I did, I promise. I have an itch. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry I was a little like negative Nancy. It's just been rough. Right now I'm okay because like I just distracted myself. But just give me some time to like get back to normal. But I do plan on filming me getting my hair done on Wednesday. My plan is to do it all in black and white, like the whole entire video, and then at the end show you like the finished look, if that makes any sense. Because honestly, it's gonna be a surprise to both of us. I don't know what's gonna happen. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.